In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update an account owner in Salesforce. Whether you're adjusting team roles or transferring responsibilities, updating an account owner is a crucial task. So let's dive into the process of seamlessly managing this within Salesforce. First, make sure you're logged into your Salesforce account, and from there, head over to the home page. Navigating from your home page is a great starting point since it provides access to all necessary tools and features. Once you're there, click on the App Launcher, which is typically represented by a grid icon. This will display a suite of available applications. Within the App Launcher, locate and click on the Accounts tab. This is your gateway to accessing all customer account information stored in your Salesforce system. After entering the Accounts section, you'll see a list view showcasing recent accounts. It's time to choose the specific account you wish to update. Selecting an account will allow you to view and manage all related details. Once you've opened the desired account, let's move on to changing the owner. You'll want to find the Change Owner button, usually found prominently on the account menu. Clicking this button will initiate the process of reassigning account ownership. Now you'll be prompted to select a new owner for the account. It's vital to choose someone suitable as the new owner will be responsible for managing all related data and interactions. Consider their expertise and workload before making your decision. You'll enter the name of the new owner, ensuring autocomplete suggests the correct user in your Salesforce directory. At this point, several options enable you to control data ownership comprehensively. First, focus on the option to transfer open opportunities owned by others. Selecting this ensures that any ongoing business opportunities associated with the account are reassigned to the new owner, which helps maintain continuity in business processes. Similarly, decide on whether to transfer account owners closed opportunities. This choice affects how past deals are credited, which could be pivotal for reporting and performance assessments. Plus, you have the option to transfer account owners open cases. This affects how current customer service inquiries and issues are managed. Selecting the option to transfer all of this account owner's cases ensures a holistic transfer of customer service responsibilities, maintaining service quality standards. Additionally, you'll find an option to send notification email. Activating this alerts both the current and new owner about the change, which supports transparency and smooth transition in duties. Finally, after reviewing all options and settings, click on the Change Owner button to finalize the update. This step confirms the transfer and applies your selected settings, and that's it. Congratulations! You've successfully updated the account owner in Salesforce. By following these steps, you'll ensure all transitions are handled efficiently, keeping your team organized and productive. Thank you for watching, and happy Salesforce managing.